In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to build high-converting holiday sales campaigns for your Shopify store. Planning for major events like Black Friday or Christmas can be overwhelming, but using Claude makes the process incredibly simple and data-driven. To get started, you need to provide the AI with your specific product details. Tell Claude exactly what you sell, your current retail price, and your profit margins. You also want to specify which holiday you are targeting. For example, you might say that you sell handcrafted leather bags for $100 and you want to plan a 4-day tiered discount campaign. Use a prompt asking the AI to help you structure the offer mechanics and a daily schedule. Once you provide this information, Claude will generate a clear promotional roadmap tailored to your business. It might suggest starting with an early access offer on the first day to reward your loyal customers. On the second day, you could transition into the general public launch. By the third day, the AI might suggest adding an extra incentive or a bundle offer to increase the average order value. Finally, for the fourth day, the roadmap will typically focus on a last chance message to create urgency and capture any remaining shoppers. This approach ensures your strategy is consistent and logical rather than just a random collection of discounts. It saves you hours of brainstorming and helps you focus on execution rather than just planning. You can even ask the AI to refine the messaging for your email marketing or social media posts within the same conversation. By following these steps, you will have a professional marketing strategy ready to go in minutes. This allows you to maximize your revenue during the busiest shopping seasons of the year without the usual stress.